Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this discussion, we're going to be talking about some of our recommendations for people considering obtaining professional certification as a healthcare compliance officer. If you're watching this video and you don't hear us mention your particular background, training, or job title, remember that that doesn't mean your experience isn't relevant or that you aren't qualified. If you have any questions about the points we mentioned in this video, please feel free to contact our office. We'd love to chat with you and help you determine if you're ready to take the exam and earn this credential. First, it's important to start off with a clear idea of what someone who holds an Officer of Healthcare Compliance Certified, or OHCC credential, will typically be doing. A certified compliance officer usually will oversee the compliance activities in a healthcare organization, or within a department at an organization. For example, a compliance officer might develop the compliance program at a healthcare organization and, among other things, be responsible for ensuring that new hire and annual staff compliance training is carried out. Before we get into some of our more specific recommendations, we do have one general recommendation for people considering taking the OHCC exam. We highly recommend that people thinking about this certification option have compliance oversight responsibilities for their department or organization. As I just mentioned, this is a major part of what someone with an OHCC credential will be doing at their place of employment. Therefore, already having this type of background is a huge help when you're working to earn an official compliance officer certification. The rest of our recommendations, if you're considering this credential, fit into three categories. 1. Qualifying professional experience you've earned throughout your career. 2. Your academic and professional education background. And 3, job positions that you may have held and that have helped you gain the requisite experience to take the OHCC certification exam. The first category of recommendations includes professional responsibilities that help you gain the skill set that will best help you succeed when you take the OHCC exam. Some of these responsibilities and experiences include being a compliance officer at a healthcare organization, auditing health records and documentation, and developing or assisting with the development of an organization's compliance program. We also recommend that prior to earning a compliance officer certification, you have some experience providing training to staff members at your organization. This training would ideally cover areas like HIPAA, documentation, or coding. If you have experience providing this type of training to others, you would be well prepared for the exam to earn the OHCC credential. Academically, there are two main types of degrees that can help you get ready to eventually become a certified compliance officer. These degrees include a Bachelor of Arts or Bachelor of Science in Healthcare Administration, or a Master's in Business Administration. You also may have obtained professional training and certification that will help you qualify to take the OHCC exam. In particular, we recommend having either HIPAA compliance training and certification, or the Registered Health Information Administrator credential. Finally, there are a handful of job positions that can also help you gain experience in key areas that are required for the OHCC exam. For example, physicians are typically very well qualified to become certified compliance officers. Auditors are also qualified to obtain this certification because they review policies and procedures for compliance to state and federal regulations. Two other types of professionals that are often qualified to take the exam to earn the OHCC credential are attorneys and CPAs. If you're interested in earning the OHCC credential with the American Institute, you should check out our Corporate Compliance Training Program. This program covers a number of topics that are extremely important for compliance officers at any healthcare organization. Some of the key subjects we cover in this course include risk management and mitigation, as well as healthcare fraud and abuse laws like the False Claims Act, Anti-Kickback Statute, and Stark Law. Upon successful completion of the Corporate Compliance Training Program, you also have the option to take the exam to certify as an Officer of Healthcare Compliance. If you have any questions about the Corporate Compliance Training Program or the OHCC certification, feel free to give our office a call toll-free at 866-571-5635. You can also visit our website for more information.